Welcome, welcome, come on in. A brand new school day will begin. We learn, we play, we laugh, we share, and follow classroom rules with care. Classroom rules help everyone learn together, play, and have fun. Listen, be kind, and do your part. We're a classroom team with heart. When someone is speaking, what do? We stop and listen all the way through. Eyes are watching, ears are too. We listen with respect, that's what we do. When you have something you want to say, ooh, raise your hand and wait your way. Ooh, keep it high, wait patiently. The teacher will call on you and me. Classroom rules help everyone learn together, play, and have fun. Listen, be kind, and do your part. We're a classroom team with heart. Use kind words when you speak. Help your friends throughout the week. Please, thank you.
Are you okay?
Kind words make a brighter day. Keep your hands and feet to yourself. Keep your body calm and safe. Walking feet and gentle hands. That's a rule that everyone understands. When we finish work or play, we put all our things away. Blocks in baskets, books on shelves. We clean the classroom by ourselves. Classroom rules help everyone learn together, play, and have fun. Listen, be kind, and do your part. We're a classroom team with heart. Some things may be hard to do, but keep on trying, you'll make it through. Mistakes help our minds to grow. Try your best and soon you'll know. When someone speaks, we listen. When we want to talk, raise your hand. What kind of words? Kind words. Hands and feet, safe and still. When we finish, clean it up. What do we always do? Try our best. Classroom rules help everyone learn together, play, and have fun. Listen, be kind, and do your part. We're a classroom team with heart. We listen well, we raise our hands. We use kind words and gentle hands. We clean up and do our best. Our classroom team is the very